What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and today I'm going to show you how to change the font size of all of your text on your iPhone system-wide. Some people think that the text is a little too small. Maybe you don't think it's small enough. I don't know. But if you want to make your text bigger as well as bold, I'll show you how to do that. Let's go into settings. We're going to scroll to display and brightness. And as you can see, right at the bottom, it says text size and bold text. So if you want to raise your text size, as you can see, as I go up, it makes it bigger. So, you know, if you don't like reading that small text, here you go. You can also make it smaller, but I like mine just like that. But anyway, if you do that, it'll change. Matter of fact, let me demonstrate it. Just make it big. Come here, as you can see, all my text is bigger. Now, if you want to make it even easier to read or more defined, you can also turn on bold text, which will restart my iPhone. I'll go ahead and do that. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and as you can see, look at the swipe to open. That's noticeably bigger. I'm going to go into my iPhone. As you can see, even my icon labels are bigger. So if you need this, like my mother actually has it like this, so I do see that people do use it, and it is what it is. So that is how you change the text size, and you can also make your font bold throughout your whole entire system. So if you like this video, thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more content on how to Apple without the. Later.